Hello, everyone. This is Amanda coming to you with the third day of the training that we were actually going over regarding using social media to get free traffic and not having to pay for ads or pay for any type of traffic. This is a method that I have been using since 2016. It is an evergreen method. And what I want to do is go through the last day of training so that you guys understand how to use each part of the training that we went over. So for day one, we were able to cover basically how to set up your account properly and the things that you need to do in order to start utilizing the methods that I'm teaching. For day two, we were able to actually cover where to go to get traffic, and not only that, how to create attraction marketing posts so that people want to know more about what it is that you currently do. So we went over how to create them yourself. And if you decide you don't want to do that, you can also pay and have them created for you. Okay. So this is a part of a playlist. This is going to be day three. We're going to go over the software that you use to drive traffic to your account consistently without having to worry about traffic at all. And the software that we're going to go over, I've been using for over 4 years, and it is extremely effective. So we're going to go over where to go and get the traffic from, and not only that, how to use the product. So what we're going to do is go over to my Facebook account, and from the Facebook account, I'm going to show you guys what you need to do when utilizing the software. So I do not go to Facebook groups when utilizing the software. I'm going to other people's pages that are in the same niche as me, but it's their personal page and not groups. The reason why we don't use groups is because groups are not updated on a regular basis. There's a lot of people that are in these groups that are not really interested in what you have to offer. And what we want to do is we want to gear the traffic towards people who are in tier one countries. Okay. So we want to go with tier one, and it's easier to find those people on people's personal pages instead of trying to get them through Facebook groups. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a person's page, and then I'm going to show you basically how to use this software. So as an example, let's just go Latrina. I'm going to open up a new tab. And what we're looking for is on her page, is she extremely active? And do she have a lot of people that comment on her post? And also, is she in the same type of niche as me? If that falls into place, this is a person's page where we're going to want to go to and gather friends. So right now I'm seeing she doesn't get a lot of engagement on her post. So we're going to skip that and go to someone else. Okay. So I'm going to go back to my page and I'm going to look for someone else to go to. So let's use Savella Turner as an example. I'm going to pull up in a new tab. And right here, I see that she is, she's an entrepreneur, coach, and motivator. And she probably is in the same niche as me, which I think she is. She does a lot of online marketing and offline marketing. She posted here 5 hours ago, and she has a decent amount of engagement. So with that said, I'm going to go to a post, and I'm looking for a post that has decent amount of engagement. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on her likes. And what it's going to do is going to pull up friends. It's going to pull up all of the people that we have mutual friends with. And then as I scroll down, it's going to have also some people that I'm no longer friends with. And what I want to do is I want to bring the people that I'm not friends with to my page. So I'm going to go to the tool, and right here is where it starts adding friends. I'm going to go to the tool, which is right here. It's called Simple Social Tool. Once you have enrolled, it's going to say your account has been verified. This is a Chrome extension. So I'm going to hit add friends. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to delay it so that it runs every 10 seconds. And here I'm going to want to start, if I'm just using this tool for the first time, it's the first week or so, I'm going to run like 15 friends twice a day. And then after the first week, we can run it about 25 friends twice a day. So because I've been using this for a while, I'm going to just do 25. You can even do 50. Once you start running it for like a few months, you can go all the way up to 50 and you'll be fine. So I'm going to hit the start button. And now what this is going to do is going to start adding friends. And once it's done adding friends, it's going to stop. So as you can see, it added one friend so far, and every 10 seconds, it's going to add another person. Now, what this software is doing, it's bringing these people to my page to be friends with me. And some of them are going to accept, some of them are not. That's perfectly fine. We're not here to gather everyone. We're here to gather a bit at a time and bring people to our page so that the Facebook algorithm can start also inviting people in our same targeted niche to our page as well. I highly recommend when you are using the software, you can let it run in another tab. You can go here, you can answer messages. You can look at your page, other people's posts. I would not delete friends or try to add friends while this tool is running. The reason why is you don't want to do too much on your Facebook page while the tool is running. So I can go here, and if I want, I can engage with other people. I can go to my homepage and like and comment under other people's posts, but I will not be adding or taking away friends while the software is running on another tab, okay? So this is how we use the app. Again, you can use it twice a day, morning and afternoon, afternoon and evening, morning and evening. It's really up to you. But when you start off, you want to gradually work your way into adding more friends until you get to 5,000 friends. Now, what we're going to do is once we hit 5,000 friends, we're going to do a rinse and repeat. We're going to remove some friends that are not highly active on our page, and we're going to add new friends. And this allows you to continuously add more people to your page, to have more traffic to your account, and more people requesting information from you. Now, again, before you start this training, you want to make sure to go back and watch day 1 and day 2. This is a part of a playlist. And then this will be the final day that shows you again how to use the software. If you're interested in the software, you can send me a message, or right in the description below this video is the link for this software so that you can get a discount, but not only that, start utilizing it consistently to bring unlimited traffic to your page. With this, you do not need to stop after warning. You don't need to hit add mutual only. All you need to do is make sure to put in your 10 seconds. When you first start, you want to start up with like 15 at a time, twice a day. After a week, move up to 25. After 3 or 4 weeks, move up to 50. And then what the algorithm is going to notice is that you are very consistent with gaining new followers, new friends, interacting and engaging with other people's posts, posting consistently, and that's going to allow them to bring more traffic to your page, and more people are going to be interested in what it is that you're doing. Okay. So I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. I hope that this information has helped you to understand how to use organic traffic, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.